Hi, we are Team ARVO, and this is a quick insight to what we are as a company and how we are helping our clients to solve the problem of authenticity and traceability. I'm Sumit Goswami, the CEO and co-founder of ARVO.
And I'm Duke Banerjee, co-founder and CTO at ARVO. And at ARVO, we are building a technology to help manufacturers worldwide make their supply chain more secure, transparent, and compliant.
Between us, we bring about 50 years of experience, mine in manufacturing and enterprise ops, and this is my third startup. And Duke's in building scalable AI-driven platforms. Arvo is our way of solving a problem we both have seen up so close: revenue loss and compliance gaps caused by weak supply chain visibility.
Well, these issues show up in different ways: counterfeit products, gray market diversions, and poor traceability. And they hit the bottom line, especially in sectors like pharma, automotive, aftermarket, and industrial equipment.
Well, the problem is simple. If you can't verify a product's identity, you can't control what happens to it after it leaves your factory. And that creates leakage, revenue leakage, ops issues, both in revenue and trust.
That's why we built ARVO's supply chain integrity platform, and it's powered by AI, blockchain, and IoT. But it starts with very simple and practical use case: our copy-proof label technology, which is patented.
We have developed Vision AI powered non clonable tamper proof labels that can be integrated with the product with thermal inkjet printers, laser printers, fibermark laser printers, label printers, and many, many more. This can be detected through a regular smartphone camera.
Well, anyone with the smartphone can scan the label and access the product's verified supply chain history, backed by blockchain. It also shows where it came from, who handled it, and whether anything has been tampered during the journey.
And you don't have to rip your current systems. No change is required. We integrate with your existing ERP and your MES platforms and work with your current printers. So deployment is quick with no major cost barriers.
For the auto aftermarket, this means customers can verify if a part is genuine or not. For industrial equipment, it brings clarity for warranties and after-sale service. And for pharma industry, it helps with compliance like DSA and India's track and trace rules.
One of our mining equipment clients cut counterfeit-related returns by almost 80% in just 6 months. That's the direct impact. And this is not just analytics.
And because of our solution, which is cost effective and IP backed, it's attractive to not just the customers, but also to an investor who care about scalability and defensibility.
If you're dealing with leakage, non compliance, or customer mistrust, we can help. Arvo brings structure and accountability to your supply chain fast. Try us out.
Thank you for joining us. And if you're interested to more, please visit our website and contact us.